Hello, today we will guide you through how to add API key in Kaggle. To begin, open Kaggle in your web browser. Kaggle is a popular platform for working with notebooks, datasets, and machine learning tools, and it also allows you to securely store private values such as API keys using its secrets feature. Before you start, make sure you are signed in to your Kaggle account so you can access the notebook workspace and save your changes properly. Once you are on the Kaggle homepage, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Create. This is where Kaggle gives you the option to start a new project space. After selecting Create, choose Notebook. Opening a notebook is important because the Secrets option is available within the notebook environment, which is where you can manage private credentials for your project. When the notebook opens, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Add-ons. This menu contains extra tools and settings that support your notebook workflow. From there, click on Secrets. The Secrets panel is where Kaggle lets you store sensitive values safely instead of typing them directly into your code. This helps keep your credentials protected and makes your notebook cleaner and easier to manage. Inside the Secrets section, click on Add Secret. This will open the form where you can enter the details for your API key. You'll then need to type in your sample API information in the required fields. Be careful here to enter the key exactly as intended, since even a small mistake, such as an extra space or a missing character, can cause authentication issues later when you try to use it in your notebook. After entering the API information, take a quick moment to review everything you typed. Confirm that the secret name is correct and that the value has been pasted in the right place. This simple check can save time if you run into errors later. Once everything looks good, click Save. Saving the secret stores it in Kaggle so you can reference it securely from your notebook without exposing it publicly in your code cells. That's the key benefit of using secrets rather than hard-coding private values. And that's it. You have now added an API key in Kaggle. If you plan to use it in a notebook, remember to access it through Kaggle's secret management tools rather than printing it or sharing it in your code. This keeps your workflow more secure and professional.